Hi, I'm Stephen, one of the lead educators here at Educators Trade, and this video is to confirm that I have put together this presentation on the Gartley pattern. This is a quick video just to show you the Gartley pattern, how it forms, what we're looking for. But before we begin, obviously, let's get to a blank piece on the chart and I'll draw out the Gartley pattern. So Gartley pattern is one of the most famous harmonic trading patterns that you can see in price. It's really a psychological pattern. Traders come to a point where there is a lot of indecision, and it is just a psychological area of the markets that we look to play into our advantage. Typically, Gartley patterns, they will work. You need to know where you are in the market, because you will get some Gartley patterns, you'll get the initial sell-off and then the continuation to break that Gartley, or you get them in line with a trend where the Gartley sells off in line with the trend. So we must remind ourselves what a Gartley pattern is. A Gartley pattern essentially is an ABCD pattern. So let's label this up as we go. Here we are. A, B, gosh, mouse is terrible. A, B, if I can get my computer to work, here we go, A, B. Right, so we're here, A, B, that's length A, B, price move A, B, could be A, B. And then you have point C, then you have point D. So, because my computer's a bit crap, I have to do this in a pretty clumsy way, must excuse. A, B, C, D. So, the point of this pattern is that each of these legs is a harmonic move that occurs in the market. This swing point, this number of points, you'll notice it. Typically, AB is equal to CD in length, okay? And we have an anchor point, which is point X up here. So, stick that in. Let's do that one for now and relabel it. X, okay, so X, A, B, C, D. Point D, where it finishes, has a relationship with X to A, typically a Fibonacci ratio of 61.8, 78.6. They're the two that I would pick out. Right, now you got that, let's move across to the charts. If I can get that in one place, can you see what I'm seeing here, you know? Forget the moving averages, that's just another thing, but can you see how this is connected? Right, let's draw this in. X, A, yeah? Point X, point A. A, B. What's next? It's as easy as A, B, C. Point C. What's next? Huh. No. Can't be, can it? Right. A, B, C, D, that's your Gartley. Now, the Fibonacci bit. We made it from point X to point A. Oh my gosh, what have we come in at here? We've come in at the 78.6 level. Wow, okay, so what do you do now? Well, what we're looking for now is sells, ultimately, and we're looking for sells so it comes back and tests this area here. So quite a shallow retracement, but a good 70 pips. A good 70 pips. What else can you see on this chart? Well, to me, I can see more. I can see more examples of that the trend wants to slow down. Here's another A, B, C, D pattern. And, you know, what more can you say? It's completed right in the center. So not only have you got the Gartley pattern, it's the big pattern, you've also got this A, B, C, D pattern that's completing up here. If you want to go even further, you'd zoom in again to the hourly. See what's going on here. Let's delete some of these lines. What have we got here? Well, this is where, as a detective, it's essentially what you are in the market. I know that the trend's tired here from what I know about markets, and you know, the duration that we've been pushing up here. The fact that we've had 3 hits to this high, 1, 2, 3, tells me a lot. I'm expecting this market down here. So that's just a very simple example of a Gartley sell pattern. Conversely, on the Euro at the minute, Euro USD, we do have the same thing. So not only did we have a Gartley sell pattern up here, if I move these lines for now, we had a Gartley sell pattern up here. We've also got a Gartley buy pattern now, which I'll draw in for you. Much the same previous video. I mean, the previous example. It's the same. Let's just have a look. So this guy's completed here, moved up, came back down. In this example, the pattern has extended to a Fibonacci extension number. What is that number? 161.8. What other Fibonacci number do you have of the point X to A? Oh, we're down at this 78.6 level. For me, that's good enough for a trade entry. All right, guys, I hope you found the video helpful, and you know, reach out to me if you've got any questions or need any further assistance. All right, cheers.